This is a song called Miss January 95, about an old stripper I met out on MySpace. They lived in Dallas, Texas, and
he's old.
yeah,
Song from the heart.
and I lost track of her because she'd never migrated over to Facebook. Miss Jerry Ann, I miss you. And it's not just about Jerry Ann, but she was fun to talk to. And she inspired this song. It's called Miss January 95, and it goes like this. Well, I met her in the bathtub with an old Hank Williams song, and that bottle of Four Roses ain't gonna last very long. We're all here in Texarkana, and we're headed on our way, looking for a place to crash. Ain't you gonna let me stay? Or won't you come on now? Miss January 95, you can call me up when you get the time. Yeah, the band is back in Vegas in that old kind of line. Oh, won't you come on now when Miss January 95? Tell me about the clown room and your days out on the strip with your rock star ex-husband and a Palm Springs trip. Still got your calendar on the wall of my room, and it's 30 years later, hoping I see you soon. Oh, won't you come on now, well, Miss January 95, well, you can call me up when you get the time. Yeah, the band is back in Vegas in that old kind of line. Oh, won't you come on now, Miss January 95? Hope time's been kind to me. It's sure been kind to you. We're going out tonight, see what you can do. Oh, won't you come on now, Miss January 95? You can call me up when you get the time. Yeah, the band is back in Vegas in that old kind of line. Oh, won't you come on now, we'll have a dance